Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So for this week's video, we are going to be going step by step on this brown smoky eye. This is episode 3 of the Prom series, and I think this is my favorite look that I've created so far. Yeah, it definitely is. This is a super universal look along with the other looks that I've also created, and if you want to go ahead and find out how to get this look, go ahead and keep on watching. Before we get started, be sure to like and subscribe and go ahead and ring the bell so that you can get a notification of more upcoming videos. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, I know I have you guys really zoomed in, but it's because I already have my base and my eyebrows on, so I thought let's go ahead and jump right into the eyeshadow. So for today's video, I'm going to be using the Tartelette Toasted palette, and I'm obsessed with this palette, but I think it's because Ulta has the 21 Days of Beauty, and they had this on sale for $19, and I had $11 in rewards, so I got this for $8. And plus, like, these shades this is it for me. I could only own this and I would be happy. I don't only own this. I've got lots. But if I had to own one palette, I think it would be this. Honestly, truly. And this shade right here, Crackle. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm going to be using that today. I'm just the most excited. So we're going to go for a brown smoky eye today. I feel like this is, again, one of those universal looks that you could literally wear with anything, any color gown, and I feel like it would look beautiful. So let's go ahead and jump right in. There we go. Okay, we're gonna start by taking this big fluffy e.l.f. brush, and I'm gonna go into the shade. I feel like I have to like cover this right here because there's a mirror. That shade right there. Oh, wait, just kidding. Let's just turn this around. It's that shade right there, and it's just a super basic not beige, cream shade. I'm just gonna set my eyes with this. It's called Some More, so we're gonna blend that all over my eyes. Alright, perfect. That's blended in. Now we're gonna go in with the Wet n Wild, this fluffy little brush, and we're gonna go into the color Latte, which is that one right there, and we're going to blend this all over the crease. I'm going to take this a little higher up than usual because this is a smoky eye, so I want you to be able to get a peek of every color that I lay down. I actually think I need a fluffier brush for this. Although, like, if I blend it enough, it's giving me the look I want, but I kind of want something fluffier. So I'm actually just going to go in with the brush that I just used to apply the very first shade. I'm going to use this, and I'm going to just blend that out. Yeah. There we go. I want to cover more surface area. And although the brush was doing the job, it was just going to take me a little longer. Okay, now I'm going to go back in with the Wet n Wild brush because I think this is going to be a little better for the buildup that I want. So now we're going to go into the color Warmth, which is that shade right there. Yeah, you can see that. And we're going to take that on this brush, and we're going to go ahead and blend this in a little closer into the crease. You can go ahead and take this a little farther up than just the crease. Not as far up as we took that initial shade, but just enough to be able to blend those two. Okay, now we're just gonna go ahead and continue with the build-up. So now we're gonna go into the shade Cozy, which is that shade right there. It's like a nice burgundy copper shade. I'm gonna go in with the Japanesque 712 brush, and we are going to apply this a little closer to the lid while still taking it a little farther up enough so that you can go ahead and see that shade, but not as far up as the other two shades, like I said. Okay, this, ooh, This brush picks up so much product, and I think it's just like the bristles on it. I don't know what, I think this is definitely a synthetic brush, but it picks up so much because I use the same shade with a different brush and it does not give me the same intensity as that brush. Now we're gonna go back in with the Wet n Wild, not applying any more. Well, actually, let's just going back with a little bit of that warmth shade, and we're gonna blend out those edges with the warmth. Okay, now I'm going to take a flat concealer brush and I'm going to go in with the ColourPop No Filter Concealer and put that on the back of my hand. And we are going to cut the crease, and I just want to give the next shade that I'm using a base, so it doesn't have to be a perfect crease because we're going to go back in and blend it out. Because this is, after all, a smoky eye. I just want to give my next shade a nice base to work with. Okay, perfect. Now we're gonna go into, oh, I'm so excited about this shade. It's called Crackle. I'm gonna swatch it for you guys first because I need you to see this shade. Alrighty. So this is what it looks like on my finger. It just looks like brown, but watch this. Look at that. It has gold flecks in it. Oh my goodness. Listen, when I tell you that when I first swatched that, I was like, oh my god, it's beautiful. I actually think I want to take that shade with my finger. I think it'll just give me the intensity that I want out of it. So yeah, we're going to take it on the ring finger and we are going to pat that on to my lid. Pat it on because I am not trying to get any fallout. If I have to do with fallout, at least let it be like the gold part and like the gold flecks and not the brown. Again, that doesn't have to be perfect because we're going to do a lot of blending now. Let's go back in with the Wet n Wild shade, and now I'm going to go in with the color Cozy on this brush, and I'm going to blend the crap out of that. Okay, now I'm going to go in with some mascara and we're going to apply some big lashes to this because I don't want my eyes to get lost. So actually, let's go in with some, let's go in with some Wispies by Ardell, and I will be right back. Okay, now that I have my lashes on, let's go ahead and move into the under eyes. I dusted off all of the excess powder that I had placed there. So let's go straight into the waterline. So I'm going to go into the Wet n Wild brush that I was using to blend in all the other shades, and I'm not going to add any more product to it. I do this all the time. I always say that I feel like the residue on a brush, when you blend it on your waterline, it gives for a great blend and a mixture of all of the colors that you used. So we're going to take that and we're just going to blend out the under eyes. And now I'm going to go in with the Japanese brush and rub that underneath the eyes as well, but keeping this a little further out towards the outer corner of my eyes. Okay, and now we're going to apply some bottom mascara. I'm going to go in with the Tarte Maneater Mascara and apply this to my bottom lashes. Alright, y'all know that I love to do this. I'm going to go in with the Benefit Highbrow and line my waterline. especially with a smoky eye, I love to go in with a bright pencil to my waterline to open up my eyes a whole lot more, because darker colors can close up your eyes. Okay, and now we're gonna highlight because I can't not highlight. So we're gonna go in with the Wet n Wild Hustle and Glow loose setting, or not loose setting powder, loose highlighting powder, and we're gonna highlight the inner corners and the brow bone with this. Alright, I zoomed you guys back out because now I just want to go in with some lipstick. I'm going to be using the Becca lipstick, and it's a, what's the name of this? Ultimate Lipstick. Well, that's all I see. It says Ultimate Lipstick, and this is in the color Souffle. And that's it for this week's video. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I hope that you like this look, because I think this is my favorite look that I've created so far for the Prom series. This is a very universal look that you can use with so many different color gowns. And if you're not going to prom, again, this is just a cute look for you to wear on a night out. Go ahead and give this video a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. We only have 2 weeks left of the Prom series, so you don't want to miss those. And I will see you all next week. Bye, everybody.